I'm Purchase Alaria, and this is my room, and this is my beautiful bedroom. So this is my clothes, my blouses, and my uniform. Then this is my book that I used in school. Then this is my pants. Nandito rin sa baba. Paborito ko kasi yung maong. So I open. This is also my clothes. Obvious naman, paborito ko yung puti. So my then papakita ko yung table namin na dito kami nagpapaganda ni Mia Jean. Yung ka-boardmate ko, siya yung kasama ko dito araw-araw. So, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung kabuuan ng boarding house na room namin. This is my face. Oh my goodness, face. This is my mother. This is my father. Oh my. And dito din po yung higaan ni Mia Jean. So, dito pa. Hi, this is my DIY. I'm gonna make bag using this fabric and extensionary pin. So, we're gonna start now. First, you're gonna fold it. Then, this extensionary pin. So, do it in the other side. Do it then another side. And lastly, so you're gonna tie this. I'm gonna put extensionary here. On the other side. This is my outfit.